hadiah.
We make photo.
Photo also, yeah. Guys, hello. This is Summer PH. Now we're making vlog for tonight. Our pizza chef on duty, Zunil. And I have my comrade, my chocolate.
Hi guys.
Oh, see, hi only. And our tiger today, my co-work. Yeah, this is. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, welcome to Summer PS TV.
No, Valentine,
No, Summer PS TV. His channel name Summer PS.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was about to say
See?
Angel Vlog.
Hi guys, not Angel Vlog. This is Summer PS TV. Please support also Rental channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and kuya and happy Valentine's Day. But mommy,
What is here?
Yeah, my name is Rosalie.
Moti. Her name is Moti.
No, not Moti. My name is. Well, no, I don't have my name tag.
Miss
Okay,
Moti.
support our brother here. Subscribe and comment. You know, share.
Yeah,
Watch at least how
subscribe.
many hours? 3 minutes. Yeah,
Yeah.
at most.
Watch until finish video.
Yeah, and then don't skip.
Hey! What is this you making? This is pizza dough?
Napolitana and pepperoni pizza.
Pizza dough, huh?
Yes.
Pepperoni.
Napolitana.
And what is this?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Yes.
Tomato sauce. First, you put tomato sauce.
Mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Yes.
Mozzarella cheese. What mozzarella cheese?
Yes.
This is ordering or takeaway, huh?
Take away the talabat.
Takeaway. We have talabat. If you want, you can order our talabat. Gia.
It's pepperoni.
Pepperoni. See, we put the pepperoni together. Serve pepperoni.
Cheese.
Mozzarella again.
Oregano.
Oregano for the
Yes.
Napolitana, na?
Yes.
Oregano. Then put it in the
Oven.
oven. How many minutes?
2 minutes.
2 minutes only. See how we can cook our pizza? 2 minutes only. Let's wait and see. Okay. You want to say hi to your fans because you are very you have too much view, yeah.
I stop.
Yeah, it's our too much view.
Wala?
Yeah, 6,000 view.
Oh.
Yeah. So we'll see, and again we will make a. When finish the pizza, we will open. Now getting ready. Now our pizza getting ready. Napolitana done. And it looks delicious. Oh my God!
Pepperoni.
Wow, wow, wow.
Wow.
Then cut into
Cut
6.
6 pieces.
What is this?
Olive oil.
Olive oil. Then you put the olive oil.
Basil.
Basil leaves.
Yes. Basil
dilute olive oil. And put it into the soy sauce. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Very good comment.